Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can design a logo using Canva. So to start designing your logo, just log into canva.com. Here you can search logo option. So you can also search specific logo for a particular industry, for example, fashion or doctor, hospital, or whatever your business is related to. So here I'm going to create a logo for a bakery brand. For example, the name is Bakery King. So bakery logo, I'll type here. So you can see some of the templates which are coming here. Now you can choose your template based on the one you like. So, so some of the templates are pro. For example, these are like pro. It is written here pro. For this, you need to buy the pro plan. Others are free. So you can choose whichever you want. If you want the pro one, then you need to get the premium account, which is around 499 per month in Indian rupees. So let us try this one. So here also we have some other templates which are being suggested. So you can also select from this one. So for the timing, we will just customize it. So I'll put this name Bakery King. You can put the name of whatever your brand is. Now here I will do a little customization. I'll go to the elements and I will search here like King Crown. So you can see some of the crowns which are coming now. I'll take one of the graphics from here and I will try to put it into the logo. So let us try this one. We'll make it smaller. So you can put the icon in case if necessary in your brand. Otherwise you can skip it. We will increase the size of this. So we can just we need to pull this down to increase the size. So here it is like the bakery king. So I will change the icon. It is not looking very good. So we won't place any icon. Let me try some other one. Let's try this one. It is also not looking that much good, but still it is fine. We can also try some other design. In case if you choose the design and it's not looking good, you can try some other design also. So these are some of the other designs which we can try. So let's try this one. So this one looks little professional. Here, if you want, we can put this icon in a very small size, somewhat here. So we can just drag and drop and put wherever we want. We can also try Control plus Z or Command plus Z in order to get to the previous situation if something is wrong. So I think it is not looking good. We'll remove the crown and just put the logo. Here, handmade bakery. So you can put like whatever, for example, the king of bakery. I'll put this one. You can put anything you want. So we can check it. So this is it. This is how you can design logo for your particular business. It may be of any business. Now you can just change the name here if you want and download, for example, bakery in logo, and we will download. So we can choose the format. Normally it is PNG suggested, but you can also download JPG, PDF format, print or SVG for particularly for website where SVG is the recommended one. Otherwise, you can normally download it in the PNG format. You can also increase the quality. If the account is premium, you can get a premium quality. Otherwise, it will be in the normal quality. So let's just increase the quality a little bit and we'll click on download. So now it will start getting download. So you can see how this is the logo that we have designed. So similarly, you can design logo for your brand. So in case if you are looking to design a logo and if you don't have any time, you can contact us and we will design the logo for you. Thank you and have a good day. This is